Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. Let's learn counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow, lots of blue colored toys here. Wow, bye bye. Wow, this is a toy telephone. Blue, white. Wow, two colors toy telephone. Wow, nice songs. Bye bye. Wow, this is a Doraemon color fan. Blue, white, red. Wow, lots of colorful here. This is a Doraemon color fan. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is a toy cycle. Black. Wow. Orange, white, blue. Wow. This is a toy cycle. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is a toy handcuff. Wow. This is full of blue color. Wow. Oh no. Bye bye. Wow, this is a magical toy gun. Brown, orange, green, blue. Wow, lots of colorful here. Wow. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is a butterfly candy whistle. Blue, purple, lots of colorful candy here. Wow. Wow, this is a whistle. Bye bye. Wow, this is a gun cockatiel. Pink, green, blue. Wow. This is a gun cockatiel. Bye bye. Wow, this is a exercise rugby ball. White, blue. Wow. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is a candy color fan. White, yellow, blue, lots of colorful candy here. Wow, this is candy color fan. Bye bye. Wow, this is a walkie talkie. This is full of blue color. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is a big sizes musical toy gun. Blue, brown, brown, blue. Wow. Wow. Bye bye.